Hello everyone, welcome to e-commerce YouTube channel. We help small e-commerce businesses grow with the insights from the e-commerce world. As you all know, we are in the midst of biggest health and economic crisis of our lifetimes. Our businesses have been brought to a standstill. In today's video, I will talk about the biggest recent launch in the e-commerce world, that is Facebook Shops. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. In the mid of the worst crisis, Mark Zuckerberg, owner of Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram, has launched Facebook Shops to help small businesses in these tough times to launch their shops and start selling right away on the world's top 3 most used social media platform, that is Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram. This could easily change the course of e-commerce worldwide as Facebook has a huge user base to offer. Any small business can easily start a shop and sell things directly across Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram. If you, as a customer, visits anybody's shop, you can easily see their stories, featured products, descriptions, and even check out and buy items directly there. This is a totally new concept as generally business uses these social channels to reach people, tell them about their brands, but not for selling their products and services. But now, with the shops, Facebook is adding a new way for businesses to sell directly and reduce many pain points for businesses. This will gonna be a uniquely valuable for people who are in small businesses, especially during these tough times. So let's talk about the advantages. The first and most important advantage is the shops are free and easy to create. Even if you are just starting a business in your living room, Facebook Shops gives you the same tools to build and operate your online storefront that Google brands have had for that region of customers. Shops will set up a store for you automatically without you having to do anything at all. If you use Shopify or any number of businesses, backend tools will then just with small number of clicks, you can import your inventory and create a shop across Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram. Another important feature is that for businesses, you just need to list your products on one app and your shop will automatically get created in rest of the apps. And your products will be consistently available for sale on all 3 apps. This will save lots of time and efforts. And for people using Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp, will have consistent experience no matter which app they are using. People can message a business, access a catalog, buy things in same way across all 3 apps. If you put your item in cart on Facebook, you would be able to check out same item from Instagram or WhatsApp. One simple consistent experience makes it very easier for users and which will directly lead to higher conversions and sales for businesses. Another important feature is that it is native and fast. So when we see any ad on Instagram or Facebook and when we tap on it, it takes us to a website that is slow and creates inconsistent experience. They probably don't know your credit card number and your shipping address and you have to sign up or log in every time you visit them. Most of the potential buyers lose their interest and click on back button due to this bad experience. And businesses suffer loss of potential buyer. But this is not gonna happen with shops as they are native and fast, which means they are directly built into each of these apps. Now when you click to a post, it will take you to the product image almost instantly. Having your credit cards and address already stored, this will lead to a much better experience for people and much higher conversion rate for businesses. Another important feature is discovery. And this is one of the most interesting feature. The shop will let users discover interesting things from their businesses through dedicated shopping tab. And if customers want to search anything, they can use the search tabs and explore beautiful products. Most importantly, they can directly buy the products by simply swiping up and checking out. So friends, another feature is live shopping. So people have been using live video on FB, Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram to showcase their products for years now. From shoe stores announcing new sneakers to beautiful influencers trying on different lipsticks. Now Facebook is making it easier to shop your products in real time. Soon sellers, brands, and creators will be able to tag products from their Facebook shop or catalog before going live, and those products will be shown at the bottom of the video so people can easily tap to learn more and purchase. Another important feature is that for businesses is that businesses can tell their stories to customers. What are they really about? What are their mission? What are their values? What do they represent? How their products will make buyers' life better? How will their products add value to the buyer's life? So small businesses would be able to customize their shops accordingly. And another feature is loyalty programs. This will make it easier to earn rewards and businesses you love by enabling you to connect your loyalty programs, like the points program at your local cafe, to your Facebook account. You will be able to easily see and keep track of your points and rewards. This will help small businesses create, manage, and surface a loyalty program on Facebook shops, that too absolutely free of cost. So friends, another feature is personalization. Businesses would be able to use Facebook's huge user database and artificial intelligence technology to create better personalized shopping experiences, more than businesses can have it anywhere else. For example, if you want to buy a t-shirt for yourself, you will be shown t-shirts as per your interests, your age, and your sex. This will create nicest of user experience and will change the way of shopping among users forever. This kind of personalization would never be possible for small businesses on their own website. Another very interesting feature is augmented reality technology. In this, if you are buying beauty products or home decor products, in some cases, we would be able to preview that products. How will they look on you or at your home, especially if it's like lipstick, makeup, or sunglasses. All of these features will create a better shopping experience that shouldn't be available anywhere else. And another one of the main advantage of using Facebook Shop is that we can work with our already existing partners. For example, Facebook Shops will work with partners like Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Channel Advisor, Cafe24, etc. to give small businesses the support they need. These organizations offer powerful tools to help entrepreneurs start their businesses and move online. Now they'll help small businesses build and grow their Facebook shops and use their other commerce tools. This will surely relieve some of the pressures small businesses are facing right now and help businesses of all sizes prepare for the future. So if you are a small business or looking for opening a business, Facebook Shop will provide you whole set of tools available that can help serve people in a much better way. It will provide full end-to-end experience for customers. So friends, this was a brief introduction about Facebook Shops and how it will be beneficial for small businesses. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our video and click the bell icon to get regular updates about our informative video. Thanks.